the Farsi and Riqa brush set 1. As you can see, I've already opened a new layer on Procreate ready to demonstrate the 11 digital brushes from this Farsi Riqa brush set. Let's make a few strokes and show you how it is. I'm changing the color to yellow and selecting the first brush. Here, I'm just drawing a horizontal line. Let's grab the column brush, the 3-stripe variant brush, the 5-stripe variant brush, the 8-stripe brush, the streak brush, the 3D1 brush, the 3D2 brush, the shadow brush, the texture brush, and finally the tube brush. Zooming into these strokes, you can really see how different each brush is and how amazing artworks you can create with them. Here I have some pre-made artworks that I'd like to show you. I have used the brushes from this brush set to create these artworks. One brush that can write more than one script. If I can make these, so can you. If you want to copy these and practice, you're more than welcome to do so. I also made a full video demonstration playlist of these artworks on my YouTube channel so you can follow along. Please like this video if you like it, subscribe if you haven't done so already, check out the other videos I have on this channel. I'm sure they'll bring you some value. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, may peace be with you.